Use who as a WH type word in the sentence. Who used for a person, it may be singular or plural. The formula of use who, first we use the WH word who, then you write verb, then you can take also the remaining part and at the end give question mark. WH words who is your best friend. In this sentence, the who used in the beginning for knowing the name of your best friend. So it is the simple technique to use the who for to knowing the any name of any person. Who is your class teacher? Who is there? Who was the first prime minister of India? Who killed the birds? Who will win the match? Who can tell me? Who had bought a car? All the answer of these questions is the name of any person. It may be singular or it may be plural. With the help of this formula, we can make the many questions begin with the who for knowing the name of any person. Now we can make more questions beginning with the WH word who. Write this type of questions in your notebook and speak with your friends in English and do practice. Thank you.